Here's the thing most people don't realize about their bedroom. Not because of bad furniture, but because of a few overlooked details. That's because a few small layout and styling mistakes quietly break the flow, so even good furniture never looks its best. So today, I'll show you 10 bedroom upgrades that fix those issues step by step. Stay until the end, because even fixing 2 or 3 of these can completely change your bedroom. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Upgrade number 1, headboard wall panels. When you walk into this bedroom, your eyes go straight to the wall behind the bed, and that's exactly where the upgrade happens. Here, full-height fluted wall panel frame the bed and create a strong vertical rhythm. It works best with a low-profile upholstered queen bed because the panels add height without making the space feel heavy. A full-height wall panel is enough to add depth, structure, and a hotel-style finish. Upgrade number 2, proper bed and pillow styling. If your bed looks styled but still feels messy, the problem is usually the layering accents. Too many colors and mixed patterns pillows fight each other, so the bed ends up looking busy. But once you limit the palette to 2 or 3 related colors, everything starts to make sense. Using 4 sleeping gray pillows, 2 blue medium accent pillows, and properly sized textured bed runner creates a clear layer so the bed feels wider, cleaner, and more intentional. The bed is the biggest visual element in the room, so fixing the pillow styling instantly upgrades the entire space. Upgrade number 3, nightstand styling. This upgrade isn't just about decoration, it's about balance, proportion, and intention. When a nightstand has too many small decor items, there's no clear focus, so the eye jumps from one object to another. Meanwhile, when a nightstand is nearly empty, it feels forgotten, so the bed area looks incomplete and under-designed. So keep your nightstand styled with just a few key pieces, a small plant, stacked books, and daily essentials. Your nightstand doesn't need more decor, it needs the right amount. Upgrade number 4, floor-length curtains. The curtains don't just cover the window, they frame the entire wall. But if your curtains stop at window height or float above the floor, they visually cut the wall short, so the space ends up feeling lower and tighter. The upgrade is to install floor-length curtains, starting near the ceiling and extending all the way to the floor. This creates one continuous vertical line, so the room instantly feels taller, softer, and more complete, even before you notice the bed or furniture. Upgrade number 5, rug placement under the bed. To add warmth underfoot and visually define the sleeping zone, you need to place a rug under the bed. But if your rug is too small for the bed size, it stops around the middle, so it looks misaligned and unfinished. Once you choose a larger area rug and slide it under at least 2/3 of the bed, everything changes. Your feet land on the rug immediately, so the bed feels warmer, more balanced, and visually complete. Upgrade number 6, accent seating or bench. This upgrade is about adding a secondary function to your bedroom. You might consider adding round fabric ottoman. It instantly improves flow, comfort, and visual balance without crowding the room. By just adding one compact seating piece completes the layout and makes the bedroom feel intentional, calm, and hotel-like. Upgrade number 7, desk corner styling. This desk corner technically works, but mixed accessories compete for attention, so the corner looks cluttered. Now look at what changed, not the desk, but the styling discipline. A floating wood desk is kept clean, paired with a minimal upholstered chair, a single ceramic planter with greenery, and stacked books for balance. The surface is mostly clear, but the few items left all share the same calm palette. Upgrade number 8, organized shelving divider. If you want to bring balances, storage, and breathing space to your bedroom, you can install Shelving Unit. A custom wood shelving divider with reeded glass panels allows light to pass through while still creating visual separation, while an overhead floating cabinet with open shelf keeps everyday clutter hidden. This layered approach defines zones, improves flow, and makes a small space feel thoughtfully designed instead of boxed in. Upgrade number 9, lighting layers. If you want your bedroom to feel complete and have different moods, don't rely on just one overhead ceiling light. It technically lights the room, but everything still feels flat and a bit harsh. Add a bedside pendant light to introduce a warmer, lower light source that clearly defines the sleeping area. Then add a warm desk lamp for task lighting and extra layering. This is how lighting makes a small space feel cozy, functional, and well-designed instead of flat and overlit. Upgrade number 10, proper wall art placement. There's furniture below, there's lighting, but without properly placed art, your wall looks unfinished. In this setup, the large abstract artwork paired with a slim picture light is present, but it's hung too high so it doesn't visually connect to the bed and desk area. The fix is simple. Lower the artwork so it sits closer to your eye level and aligns with the furniture below. Once it's properly positioned, the wall feels balanced, intentional, and the whole bedroom instantly looks more polished. When you look at this bedroom now, nothing feels random anymore. These 10 bedroom upgrades aren't about buying more things, but about placing the right pieces in the right way so the room feels calm, balanced, and well-designed. Try even 2 or 3 of these and you'll see a big difference in your own bedroom. Each upgrade works together to create a space that supports your everyday life. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.